Alright, gangery dudes, we're back in the great garage, and today what we're gonna do is gonna be taking the fairings I just got and we're gonna be putting them on the bike. I took some time to lay them out. Let's go take a little look-see. Oh yeah, look at these, fucking bright red. I asked them for like no decals, but they still put that like this R7 decal on the side. I was kind of upset about it, but it's kind of growing on me. But yeah, they're just red, guys. They're really red. Nice color red. But yeah. So that's about it. I mean, we're just gonna get into it now. All right, gang. You watched that all go down. I did it. It has taken me all day. It's fucking. You know, it was light outside earlier. It's dark now. Just like the last time I fucking fucked with the fairings. Fuck. Jesus Christ. Anyways, yeah, I guess a little reveal. Here the boy is. Look at it. Oh my god. Red as fuck. The face. We had a little bit of a fairing casualty right here. It snapped while I was trying to adjust it, but it's not that bad. I'm not too upset about it. That's completely on me. Yeah, look. I didn't put the rear seat on because I'm missing like the little bracket that goes right here that it actually hooks into. And I couldn't figure out how to put the supplied like cowl on, so I just didn't. I'm probably just gonna take it to a dealership and have them key me a new seat. It'll be fine. But yeah, I would say that overall, it's just fairings, man. It takes all day no matter what you do. But I would say overall, if I were to like review these, they're really nice. They're about the same quality as the ones that I got, these Amotopart fairings. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. My only thing is I ended up reusing a lot of the OEM hardware just because it was a lot better quality. And it was all made for the bike, so it all just went there right away. I tried to use some of the provided stuff and it just wasn't quite working out for me. So I used as much of the stock hardware as I could. I lost a lot of it as it all just kind of sat here and shit got moved around. But yeah, we did the thing. You know, yeah, we did the thing. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be it for this video. You know, so if you want to see more shit, want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, hit notifications, hit like. Really just smash all that. All right, grow this stuff. Last video I posted, that ride video did really good. If we can get this one as good as that, that'll be goated. That'll be real goated. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Leave my garage.